So there are people asking about what's microneedling. The reason we use microneedling is that normally when you apply the stuff and the boosters into the skin, actually there's a skin barrier which is very strong. That also helps to block the other bad stuff to go inside the skin. But it also blocks the good stuff that will not go inside even though you just apply it in your face. So when you want to put the good ingredients in your skin, the actual classic method is to inject it. But actually when you inject it into skin, the pain is really bad. It's like the pain from the injection into the skin will be like the rating from 0 to 10, it'll be about 8 to 10. The pain itself is like the worst pain you can get in the aesthetic medicine. So that's why people are really afraid to do it, and they cannot do it often because of the pain and because of the price. So actually for these kind of boosters, it's actually better to do it often. So if you do it with a microneedling, what it does is that it's a auto microneedling system. So you can change the depth of the microneedle depending on the patient's skin depth, and the ingredient itself has to always go into the dermal layer. So it has to be at least about 1 millimeter to 1.5 millimeter inside the skin. So what it does is that if you apply the boosters, it'll be staying in the skin. And when you apply the microneedling system, it'll be putting the needles, very small needles, thin needles, into the skin. And when it goes inside the skin, it'll push the ingredients inside the skin so that the ingredients will go inside the skin directly. Because even though you make the pores, it won't go in. The reason is that even though you make the pores, after giving a needle inside the skin, actually promotes exudates outside the skin, like spitting water outside, so that the skin inside will be safe from the external forces. So that's why it's always you have to apply the booster first and do the microneedling, and it's not painful and it heals very fast. So you can do it every 2 weeks without pain and having all the good ingredients that will go inside the skin. So if you're not familiar with the pain and if you're afraid of like putting something inside, microneedling system will be your choice because it has no pain and you can do it often, and it also has a very good effect.